y'all. I am committing the cardinal sin of using my back camera, but like, it doesn't matter. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Okay, so I finally got this thing from Amazon, and it is Doctor's Best. High absorption magnesium powder, glycinate. It's in a sweet peach flavor. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I've been super excited about this because I have been like itching to try the new like sleep cocktails that everybody talks about for some reason. So you mix this with tart cherry juice, a little puppy or like a little seltzer drink. And then they have like other little, like, what is it called? Ashwagandha little drops and all this other little stuff that you can put in there. I don't know. I'm not on that level yet, but like, I'm super excited that this finally came. And the biggest thing that they've said that I've researched is that you want to get a glycinate, because the other one, which, oh my gosh, I'm wrecking my brain right now trying to think of the last name of it. But it's like magnesium. Is it ox? It's, oh man, it's killing me on it. Oh, magnesium citrate. Like, you don't want to do that one because that one helps you to go to the bathroom for number 2, and you don't want to be doing that in your sleep. So make sure if you want to try this that you try to get the glycinate one. I picked this one up off of Amazon, so I will link it in the bottom just in case you're interested. But yeah, this one had pretty decent reviews and it's sealed, so awesome. I'm super excited because I have not been sleeping to save my life, so this is gonna be great. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower and I'll come back in a hot second and then we will make the mocktail. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be awesome. All right, got my little ingredients here. Let me grab, let's do a fancy glass. Okay, so in the videos, I see them with ice, so I guess I should grab some ice. But I'm not really an ice girl, but yeah, you're right, Tux. We gotta do it. We gotta do it right. Okay, 1 second. All right, so I put some ice in the wine glass. I don't know, like, call me crazy, but I don't really want to put the powder in there with the ice. I mean, we all know I'm neurospicy, so like, the idea of just like, I'm not here for tasting some, having too much powder on my thing. Wow, this is interesting. So it comes with a little scoop. What is that? Oh, it's to keep it fresh. Okay, powder everywhere. Oh my god, looks like booger sugar or something. This is wild. Okay. All right, so it said 2 scoops per serving, which should be 400 milligrams. Look at me sounding like a scientist. Oh my god, it's in the air. Jeez Louise. All right. And then we have the tart cherry juice. Yes, I've been drinking it because I was like, when I tell you, we were struggling in Kroger trying to find this magnesium, but clearly they didn't have it. I don't know. What do you think? I think that should be good. Let me get a paper towel. See, this is why I understand now why like people take a whole bunch of time to like get their little stuff together, because this is a mess. So I said that it should dissolve, so I'm just gonna mix it up in the cherry juice real quick. Because like, yeah, see, and I can still hear the powder, and like, I don't know, I just feel like that powder was gonna crop dust on top of the ice, and like, I wouldn't want to drink it. It would just do something to me. So yeah, so mixing it around. I don't know, there's probably like some scientific specific amount that you should use, but like, we can do that. All right, then we pop this, make it a little mixy drinky drink. All right, this is what I want. This is so good. Yeah, this is interesting. It almost looks like a little smoothie. Okay, I'm done with having fun spinning that around. So now I'm gonna pour this in over the ice. Okay, it looks like what they said, or like it looks like it looks in the videos. But look at that! Look at this powder. It like, part of me wants to just like let it go, but I'm like, no, like man, this daggone powder was like $22 for the daggone for that little canister thing. So like, no, we're getting our money's worth, okay? But yeah, 22. I think $22 for this. I think, I don't know. I'll double check. I want to say it was. It was just so hard to find it. All right, is everyone in the sunken place now? Real ones will get that reference. Okay, so let's try this. It smells fruity. It smells interesting. It tastes tropical. I can definitely taste the orange from the powder. I definitely think putting it in the wine glass makes you feel like, you know, not like an old lady trying these magical sleep recipes. Yeah, it's like a little like spritzy, fruity drink. It's not bad. It tastes pretty good. I think. Ooh, I almost had a brain freeze. I think I'm gonna like let it sit a little bit. Although I mean it is good, and I'm just having fun shaking the ice around, but. I'm gonna let the ice dilute it a little bit, so I'll probably sit around and chill. Well, realistically, I'll probably just get in the bed and finish reading my book. Don't overthink it. And yeah, just chill and relax and see how quickly I go to sleep. I say that as I keep chugging it. So I'm just so excited for a good night's rest. So the microwave says that it's 9:19. If I remember, I will try to take a mental note of what time I actually fall asleep. And then I will let you guys know, or like you'll see in a couple of seconds about what time it was that I woke up the next day and how did I feel. But yeah, this is wild. I am excited because like I want to be able to go to sleep and like wake up and feel actually well rested. And like be able to sleep through the night and be able to just like lay down and close my eyes and actually go to sleep. Because I've just been like up and like my brain is just thinking of so many things. So yeah, so I don't know. I guess this is interesting because usually people aren't excited to go to sleep. But I'm excited to go to sleep. I just hope that I have like no weird dreams, you know, like. Yeah. I have these lucid dreams where they don't mean nothing. I think that's Juice WRLD. Isn't that Juice WRLD? Is that Juice WRLD? Sorry. Why are you... What's going on? You smell the fruit? You don't even eat fruit. So I don't even know why you all up in my grill. He's a mess, y'all. Anyways, we will see you in a hot second to let you know how it went, or if we are having some fun BSing around the house and doing absolutely nothing, then you might see videos of that, or maybe not, if I just finally actually fell asleep. Yeah. So it's 11:35 and I'm still awake. I'm like, drink it wrong, or like I was supposed to be asleep by now. I woke up at 7:07. I feel like there were a lot of tall tales, fraud, and deceit. I'm so tired.